A judge in Ohio has reversed an earlier emergency order that required a hospital to administer ivermectin to a COVID-19 patient against the hospital's wishes. The antiparasitic drug is most commonly used in the U.S. as a dewormer in animals. Federal agencies and medical associations alike have cautioned against the use of ivermectin to treat COVID-19, as there is little evidence that it is effective. But prescriptions, and related calls to poison control centers, have skyrocketed in 2021 as right-wing media have hyped it as a treatment for COVID-19. A previous ruling by a different judge had ordered the hospital, Westchester Hospital near Cincinnati, to administer the drug to a patient after his wife brought suit over the hospital's refusal to administer a prescription written by an outside doctor. After considering all of the evidence presented in this case, there can be no doubt that the medical and scientific communities do not support the use of ivermectin as a treatment for COVID-19, Judge Michael A. Oster wrote in the new ruling, issued Monday. Ivermectin is used in humans to treat parasites like lice and the worms that cause river blindness. It is also approved by the FDA for similar use in animals, including as a livestock dewormer and a heartworm preventative for dogs and cats. But the FDA, CDC and American Medical Association have all warned against using ivermectin as a COVID-19 treatment until additional clinical trials can be completed. The National Institutes of Health, which has not issued a formal recommendation, says most existing studies about the drug's ability to fight COVID had incomplete information and significant methodological limitations. At the center of the lawsuit affected by Monday's order is Jeffrey Smith, who tested positive for COVID-19 in July, court records say. After being admitted to Westchester Hospital near Cincinnati, Smith's condition deteriorated steadily. In mid-July, he was transferred to the ICU. On August 1, he was placed on a ventilator. By August 20, doctors put him in a medically induced coma. His wife, Julie Smith, contacted Dr. Fred Wagschel, a doctor affiliated with the Frontline COVID-19 Critical Care Alliance, which has lobbied for the use of ivermectin in COVID patients. He is not board certified and has not worked at a hospital in 10 years, according to his own testimony. Wagschel provided a prescription for ivermectin, doing so without having seen Smith and despite lacking medical privileges at Westchester Hospital, court records state. The hospital refused to administer the drug, saying it would interfere with other medications. When Julie Smith filed suit, a different judge granted an emergency injunction on August 23 that ordered Westchester Hospital to begin administering 30 milligrams daily for 21 days. The Smith's lawyers say that his condition has since improved.